Good morning children, welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday homework problems 66, 74, 75. 66 once you check it, 66th one. The rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So formula what? 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into LCM 12. 3 4s are 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So 1 by 2 into 9 plus 8 how much? 17 by 12. 17 by 24. 12 2s are 24. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Next 74th problem. A rational number between minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. How much you will get? 1 by 2 into LCM 12. 4 3 3 4s are 4 2s are minus 8 plus 4 3s are 3 1s are 3. So 1 by 2 into minus 8 plus 3 how much? Minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 by 12 2s are 24. Minus 5 by 24. Which option is correct? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. So all are same problems, only between rational number we have to find. Next is 75. 75. Two rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. How much? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 2 plus 5. 7 by 1 by 2 into 7 by 10. 7 by 20. 7 by 20. Next, they ask two rational numbers, no? If you take 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus what we get? 7 by 20. So, here what is LCM? 25 4s are 4 plus 21s are 1. So, 7 only we get. 1 by 2 into 7, 11 by 20. 11 by 22s are 40. So which option is correct? 7 by 20 and 11 by 40. C. Option C is correct. So like this you have to do two rational numbers between this, between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So these are yesterday homework problems. So today we have to discuss 69th one. Yesterday up to 68th completed. So 69th one, see here. They given one number line. In that minus 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this they given. Here letters they given U, S, B, R, T, P, Q. See, observe here. From 0 to 1 middle, how many parts divided? 5 parts now. So, each represent 1 by 5, 2 by 5, here 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is nothing but 1. Here also minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Now here based on this number line we have to give answers. 69th one. The rational number represented by Q. Q which rational number, Nana? See here. 4 by 5. So Q represented by 4 by 5. So which option is correct? Option C. 70. The rational number represented by R. R represented by what? Minus 1 by 5. Here given minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 4 by 5. So none of these. D. Actually R represented minus 1 by 5. But not given now here. So D you can take. None of these. Next one. The rational number represented by T. T which rational number Nana? 2 by 5. So T represented by 2 by 5. So which option is correct? Option B. Next 72. The rational number represented by V. V represented by minus 2 by 5. Option B. V represented by minus 2 by 5. Option B. Next 73. The rational number represented by W. W which rational number? 1 by 5. W represented by 1 by 5. Not given here in options. 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 2 by 5. So none of this you can take. So like this you have to do. So first you see here 0 to 1 middle how many parts are there. With 1 also we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts total. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5. Here also 5 parts. No? So like this you have to write. You can represent each letter which your rational number represent. Like this you can write. Next question. 74, 75 homework completed. Then see 76th one. 3 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 and 5. 3 rational numbers. We have to represent 3 rational numbers. So here formula you can take 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 5. 1 by 2 into minus 2 plus 5, negative, 1 positive, 1 negative, you subtract, 5 minus 2, 3. So 1 into 3, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is there. Next one, 1 by 2 into, you take minus 2 plus, what you get here result, 3 by 2. So then, what is LCM here? Minus 2 is nothing but minus 2 by 1, LCM 2, minus 2, 2s are 4. 2 ones are 2 1 time, so 3. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 4 plus 3, how much? 4 minus 3, minus 1 by 2. So minus 1, minus into minus, here plus into minus, minus 1 by 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Next one. If you take here 5 and 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2 LCM 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 1 by 2 into 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. So 13 by 2 2s are 4. 13 by 4. So which option is correct? See here. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 13 by 4. So option B. We have these answers in option B. So 76th one. Option B is correct. So next is 77 to like this only here. 77. 80 you can do homework. Just I will say 77. 77. A fraction between 3 by 4 and 6 by 7. 3 by 4 and 6 by 7. So here formula they given, see based on that formula we have to do 6 by 7 is greater than 3 by 4. 3 by 4 value how much? 3 sevens are 28. 0.75. Then 6 by 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 7 5s are 35. So 0.85. So it is great only. So 6 by 7 is greater than 3 by 4. So by using this formula, which formula here? A plus C by B plus D means both numerators 3 plus 6 by 4 plus 7. 3 plus 6 9. 7 plus 4 11. 9 by 11. So which option is correct? See, option C is correct. If you want, you can take here A by B is equal to 3 by 4. C by D is equal to 6 by 7. So A value 3, B value 4, C value 6, D value 7, like this. Next 78th. Two fractions in between 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. So A 5 by 7, B 3 by 4. So now here A plus C by B plus D. So what you will get? 5 plus 3 by 7 plus 4. 5 plus 3, 8 by 11. Next, again if you do A 5 by 7 and B if you take 8 by 11. So then what you will get? A by B, here C by D if you take. Now A by B 5 by 7, here we get result. Now that one you can take C by D 8 by 11. They asked for two rational numbers. So here A plus C by B plus D. Then 5 plus 8 by 7 plus 11. 5 plus 8 how much? 13 by 18. 13 by 18. Not have. So if you take A by B is equal to B value, this one you can take 3 by 4. And the result C by D is equal to 8 by 11 you can take. Now we will get A plus C by B plus D. Then 3 plus 8 by 4 plus 11. 3 plus 8, 11, 15. So 11 by 15. 8 by 11 and 11 by 15. Which option is there? See there. Which option is there? Option D. So option D they given 8 by 11, 11 by 15. So like this you have to do. One rational numbers means only one time you can take. They ask for two rational numbers. So any one first you can take. And the result, if you not get the option, so once you take C by D, once you say take this one again A by B, the result you can take C by D. Like this you can take. So next only two problems have. Next topic tomorrow we will discuss. So today I am giving only one video. So 79 and 80 problems are homework problems, today problems. 79 and 80 homework problems. So next we have to discuss next topic, not next chapter. So next topic tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you. Have a nice day.